Hi everyone, in today's video, I'll show you how to have a blank name on TikTok. It's super easy, so let's get started. Step 1. Find a blank character. First, open your browser. Google or Safari works great. Search for blank character and look for a site called compart.com. It should be one of the top results. Once you're on the site, find the white square, that's the blank character. Click and hold it, and then select copy. Now we're ready for the next step. Step 2. Edit your TikTok name. Next, open the TikTok app and go to your profile by tapping the profile icon in the bottom right corner. Tap Edit Profile, and then click on Name. Delete your current name and press Paste to add the blank character you copied earlier. It should now look like an empty space. Click Save and confirm the changes. And that's it, your TikTok name is now completely blank. If this helped you, drop a like and subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.